My name's Daniel, and this is my V8 go-kart. So last night we ran into a couple roadblocks. I guess I should probably unplug this thing, huh? So my cordless drill, it can drill like 2 holes now, and that's it, it's done. We're out of batteries. So I think I need a new one. If you have any recommendations, leave them in the comments. I switched over to the corded drill and, well, that thing failed spectacularly. It just let out the smoke, and that was kind of it. I didn't have much more I could do. I thought about it a little bit, and actually, I bought a hammer drill a while ago, but I realized if you switch it, it also is a normal drill. So we should be able to complete our holes with this, and eventually there I'll get a new battery powered drill. But this thing is gonna have the power because it's made to drill holes in concrete. So let's finish drilling our holes finally and continue making this adapter. All right, day 2 of Daniel drilling holes, all episode long. Woo! I drilled 2 holes. Let's go. All right, we got the holes drilled. Woohoo! I'm gonna knock the edges off, and then we're gonna see if it fits. Hopefully it fits after all that. So we're doing pretty good. There's 2 that don't line up. They need just a little bit more. So I went ahead and I marked. We're gonna have to, I hope the die grinder fits in there. Die grind on the corner a little bit on each one. And then that'll fit right in. Now keep in mind it centers on this center hole. That's why we made it tight. So it's not gonna matter if this hole's wallowed out a little bit. It doesn't matter. It's centering on that center hole. So it'll all be good. And this looks like it'll work out. Let me just enlarge these holes a little bit and get all these bolts fitting in. I don't have an arc droid. I don't have a laser. I don't have a mill. I don't have a lathe. I don't even have a drill press. So you can get anything done if you really want to with just basic hand tools. It's not going to be as pretty as those other tools that I mentioned that I don't have, but you can still get it done. We're basically like a shop in India here, except we don't have a dirt floor and we're wearing steel-toed boots. That's the only exception. Other than that, we're pretty much the same thing. So let me show you how it's done. All right, we got all those to fit finally. Woohoo! Don't let fancy tools stop you from building cool stuff. I just neatened it up a little bit. So I rounded the edges, I cut the extra off, and just made it a little bit nicer. It's just a hand finish, so it's not perfect. It's not perfectly round, but it's better. So let's bolt it on and figure out what we're doing now. So there's our plate bolted on. I did go to these longer flywheel bolts, except this one, the threads are a little bit smushed on, so it doesn't go in, and I don't want to mess up the crankshaft. So I just put one of these in for now. It's a little goofy, but at least 5 of the bolts are longer. We'll get the right ones eventually at some point, maybe. We'll see. But that's bolted on. So now we need to connect this shaft to this plate. So we basically need like a big giant washer of some kind. All right, I think I came up with a nice, simple, easy plan to connect these 2 pieces. So this is pretty much the perfect size because we want it a little bit bigger and we'll notch for the bolt holes. But obviously we don't want to use this. It's just cast iron. It's weak. this is not good. But I think we can use it as a template to make a circle on here. And what we'll do is we'll drill this hole out to the right size for this shaft. So let's start with the center hole. I'm going to use the unibit, and I think it's thin enough. I think I can come through this side and then come through the other side and get the hole all the way through, so that way the shaft will fit through fairly snug. I think you guys are starting to see my vision here. So I've cut that out, and we're gonna make some notches for the bolts to sit in, and then we'll be able to weld in between those bolts. And that's it, guys. I've run out of time for tonight. Appreciate you guys tuning in, hanging out with me in the shop. This has turned out pretty good. I'm happy with what's going on here. I think it's gonna work. Actually, I know it's gonna work. So we're gonna eventually have this clutch on here, and we could also upgrade in the future to something else that'll fit on a 3/4 inch bore. Ultimately, we want to do the Harley trans, but we'll get there, one step at a time. I appreciate everybody that's liking, commenting, subscribing. You guys are helping me out a lot. You're helping the channel grow, and I really appreciate you guys. If you're not subscribed, why the hell not? It's a V8 go-kart. You know you want to see this thing in action, so hit that subscribe button. And I make a video every day until Cleetus invites me to the Freedom Factory. So I will see you guys tomorrow.